Ever thought about how great okra is? That simple, green, finger-like vegetable that's used in many foods all over the world. Well, if you haven't really thought about it, get ready to learn something new. This underrated vegetable has a lot of health benefits that might just shock you. Firstly, okra is a veritable treasure trove of essential vitamins and minerals. It's nutrient-rich, meaning it can support your body in countless ways. It's like a multivitamin in vegetable form. Secondly, okra is a champion for your digestive system. Its high fiber content aids in digestion, ensuring that everything keeps moving along as it should. It's a natural way to support your gut health. Thirdly, okra may help regulate blood sugar levels. This makes it a great food choice for those looking to manage their blood sugar or who are dealing with diabetes. Fourthly, okra is a friend to your heart. Its antioxidants support cardiovascular health, helping to keep your heart beating strong. Fifthly, if you're watching your weight, okra could be your new best friend. It's low in calories and high in fiber, which could help to keep you fuller for longer. Sixthly, okra is a powerhouse of vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system. It's like a natural defense shield against illnesses. Seventhly, okra is good for your bones. It contains vitamin K and magnesium, both essential for strong and healthy bones. Eighthly, okra supports good vision. Thanks to its vitamin A content, it helps to keep your eyes healthy. Ninthly, okra has anti-inflammatory properties. Its antioxidants help reduce inflammation in the body, promoting overall health. Lastly, okra is a boon for your skin. Its nutrients contribute to healthy skin and a youthful appearance. It's like a natural beauty treatment you can eat. So there you have it. Okra is not just a humble vegetable. It's a nutritional powerhouse that supports digestion, manages blood sugar, promotes heart health, aids weight loss, boosts the immune system, improves bone health, supports vision, reduces inflammation, and improves skin health. Who knew that such a simple vegetable could offer so many benefits? So next time you see okra, give it the respect it deserves. It's doing a lot more for you than you might think.